Good news for Apple fans in India as Apple has finally started manufacturing iPhone 11 in India. Indian Railways to get contactless ticketing as there will be QR code enabled tickets. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 series price tipped ahead of its launch. MediaTek has launched new MediaTek Dimensity 720 5G enabled SoCs for mid-range smartphones. Dell has launched 4 new gaming laptops price starting from Rs 73,990. Hey guys, my name is Ayush, you are watching Everyday Tech and let's quickly begin. So let's start from Indian Railways as a senior official national transporter has said that the Indian Railway will go contactless ticketing with QR code enabled tickets like those on airports, and the ticket will be scanned on platforms as well as on the trains. The Railway Minister VK Yadav has said that already 85% of tickets are being booked online, and the QR code enabled tickets will be available for those getting tickets directly from the station. MediaTek has launched the MediaTek 720 5G SoCs with latest 5G supporting systems for mid-range smartphones. Now this latest 7nm chip includes 2 high-performance ARM Cortex-A76 cores which are clocked at 2 GHz in an octa-core structure, along with 6 power-efficient ARM Cortex-A55 cores which are also clocked at 2 GHz. There is also an ARM Mali G75MC3 GPU that adds support for video encoding as well as video playback up to 4K 30fps. It also has room for LPDDR4X RAM up to 12GB as well as Universal Flash Storage 2.2. Adding further, it also has support for 90Hz display along with enabling Mira version HDR10 plus video playback to deliver a compelling experience. Now Dell has launched 4 new gaming laptops in India and I'm going to check the name. The one is Dell Alienware M15R3 which comes at a price of Rs 1,99,990. The second is Dell G515 SE which starts at Rs 74,990. The third is Dell G515 that starts from Rs 82,590, and finally Dell G315 which is priced at a beginning price of Rs 73,990. Now all these laptops will be available on Amazon, Flipkart, Dell exclusive stores as well as many retailers here in the market, so you can go and grab them if you want. Now coming to Samsung, as the pricing for the Galaxy Note 20 series might be similar to Galaxy Note 10 series as per the rumors. Now some reports claim that the price for Galaxy Note 20 in South Korea is around KRW 1.119 million, which roughly translates to around 74,900 rupees here in India, and for Note 20 Ultra it is around KRW 1.429 million, which is around 90,400 rupees here in India. Now these are all just speculations and we will get the confirmed price once the device is launched in Galaxy Unpacked event, which is to be held on 5th of August. And the last news of the day is of Apple and its iPhone 11, as the production for iPhone 11 has now been started in India, which is fantastic. And the additional 20% that we have to pay for taxes for importing the device to India might get reduced. Apple has Foxconn, Pegatron and Winster as its supplier for iPhone, and these companies are investing some huge amount in Indian market. Let's see what happens. Okay, so hope you guys liked today's episode of Everyday Tech, and do hit the like and the subscribe button to keep following us, and do check us out on Instagram and Twitter. Till then, this is Ayush. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.